Want to keep your vehicle looking brand new with long-lasting protection? At Tint Guy LLC, we offer the best ceramic coating services in Murfreesboro, Tennessee, providing your car with superior shine and durability. Our premium ceramic coatings create a protective shield against dirt, UV rays, and environmental damage. Ultra-glossy, showroom shine, water and dirt repellency for easy cleaning, UV protection to prevent fading, long-lasting defense against scratches and contaminants. With expert application, our ceramic coatings bond to your car's paint for years of unmatched protection. Perfect for cars, trucks, and SUVs. Enhance your vehicle's look and value today. Join hundreds of satisfied customers who trust Tint Guy LLC for professional ceramic coating services. Call us today at 615-410-3805 or visit tintguylc.com to schedule your appointment. Tint Guy LLC, the best ceramic coating services in Murfreesboro, Tennessee.